5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Left 4, 40. Short left 3. Into right 2. Into left 4. And then we got a left 4. Go 200. Right 5 nips. Into left 2. The 100 not straight. Left 4. It's complex. Opens. Tightens 3. 200 over crest. 50 caution right 2. Then 30 right 3. And then left 3, tightens long, into right 5, tightens 3, into left 2, into right 4, tightens 50, then right 4, opens, tightens, go 600. And then a left 6, 300. Then a right 5, tightens 4. Into left 5. Into right 4 minus long. Into left 4, tightens 3 plus. 400. Short left 4 late into right 2. Into left 5, 150. Then left 5, into right 6 over crest, 200,
next,
left 6, 100.
After that,
left 4, 30.
After that,
left 3 plus, 60. Then left 6 over crest. Into right 5 tightens.
next,
2 plus.
after that,
Left 6. Opens, tightens 4.
car is okay on the right here.
Yep.
I'm going to slow down to give caution.
This is the tightens 4 into right 4 minus. Now that's the tightens 4. Into open hairpin left.
That was a hairpin left, right something.
Right 5, 400, caution, slow, right 2,
Cool.
60.
Right 2, then it is 400 here.
Yep, slow, caution, slow, right 2, 60.
Here, and next.
Right 3, into left 4. $100 over crest, 300. Ends right 4, 60. I'll give you the next when I can see the right 4.
This is the right 4 and the right 3.
Yep, it'll be a 60 and then a right 3 plus. And then a left 4 extra long. Into right 6, 100. And then a right 4, stay in over crest. And a left 450. Right 3, 30. Left 3 into short right 4. Into left 2 plus. 120. Right 6. Into left 4, 50.
Next.
Right 3, tightens late. 80. Then short right 6 into left 2.
So this is coming up on the short right 6.
Yep. Into left 2. That's it. And then right 6 long into flat left 400. Followed by caution short left 3 into right 5. There's our caution. Into left 4 up. 200. Right 4 opens. Tightens 150. And then a right 5. And then a 100 over crest. Into immediate left 6. Nips. So left 6 at the top of that hill.
Copy.
And then we'll go down 200. And then left 6 into right 4, quick. Make that a right 4 minus. And then 300. So we got 300 to a caution left 5, caution slow, tightens 2. In other words, left 5, tightens 2.
Copy.
Into a right 4 to finish. And we're clear.